Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen on your face. Collagen is a fundamental protein, making up about 80% of your skin's dry weight, providing essential structure and elasticity. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, leading to visible signs of aging like fine lines and reduced firmness. Understanding how to effectively replenish and support collagen can significantly enhance your skin's appearance, helping it maintain a smoother, more supple texture. Topical collagen serums are a popular way to deliver beneficial proteins directly to your skin's surface. After cleansing, apply a small, pea-sized amount of serum to your face and neck. Gently massage it in using upward motions until fully absorbed. For optimal results, use these serums consistently, typically once in the morning and once in the evening. Many users report seeing improvements in skin hydration and texture within 4 to 8 weeks of regular application. Oral collagen supplements work from the inside out, supporting your body's natural collagen production. These are often available as powders that you can mix into drinks or as convenient pills. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, as they are broken down into smaller, more easily absorbed molecules. A common daily dosage for skin health is between 5 and 15 grams. Consistent intake over several months can lead to noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. To truly maximize the benefits of collagen for your face, consider a dual approach, using both topical serums and oral supplements. Additionally, lifestyle factors play a crucial role. Always protect your skin from sun damage with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30, as UV rays degrade collagen. A diet rich in vitamin C and antioxidants also supports your body's natural collagen production. Consistency in all these practices is key to achieving and maintaining a youthful complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.